Hello again everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Yizhet built-in stainless steel soap dispenser. Just open it. We got this from Amazon for $11.99. Excuse me. So these are the parts that come in the box. There are no instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory really. Not sure what size the bottle that is. 300 mils actually. It's a 300 ml bottle, so you can get plenty of hand wash in there. The purpose of this is you'll attach it to your sink. This will sit under the sink. The pump will sit on top of the sink, and it just removes the need to have any dispensers sitting on the counter at the side of the sink or wherever you might have them. We'll take a look at the sink and where I'm going to put it. Okay, so this is where we are going to place the dispenser. As you can see, we have the tap over that side, then we have this hole here which was covered with this cap. Underneath the cupboard you'll unscrew this and this will just come straight off. The reason this is here is in case you have the sink the other way around and you want the tap on this side, which may seem obvious to some but maybe not to others. Now the problem I've got here, because honestly nothing's ever simple for me, is that I don't know if you can see that actually. That is a part of the unit which is stopping me from attaching the dispenser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hole saw, making sure it's wide enough to take the thread on that pump, and I'm going to have to drill down, as you can see, drill down and make room for the dispenser shaft, or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, drilled the hole. I had to drill it bigger than I wanted to because the thread wasn't long enough. But yeah, as you can see, I had to drill it a bit bigger and it created quite a mess. So I'm just going to put the dispenser on. So take the pump. You have two of these. You put this washer on there. Pop that in the hole. Then you'll take the other washer and then you'll want to screw that on to make it nice and tight. So when you're tightening that up, make sure you do it nice and tight so it creates a good seal. Then the pump head, just pull that off there, then you'll get your straw or whatever it's called, and you'll show you. It just pushes in like that, nice and tight, and we'll pop that back. Make sure it does pump. Yep, and then you'll put some hand wash in your bottle and then feed that over the straw and just simply screw it on. Excuse me. Just screw that into there, and then voila, we have a hand sanitizer dispenser. Now, obvious problem, or if you see it as a problem, I do, is that is obviously going to be in the way. So keep that in mind, but at least we'll be able to remove this, because we now have this. I mean, you could, if you wanted, drill a hole here and fit it there if you wanted, but that's a lot of work. It's just easy, just put it there. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye. So you can see the pump in action. You can see that it does work as it should. Bob's your teapot.